Hi students, welcome to today's maths class. So hope all of you are ready for the class. So today we are going to learn, that is we have started the fourth chapter, basic geometrical concept, and we have completed some, that is we have learned what is point, ray, line segment, etc. So today we are moving to some new topics but very easy one, that is we are learning what is angle. Then we are going to learn about quadrilateral, which may be a new term for you, but it's very easy. Then we are going to learn about triangles. Okay, so you are familiar with angles and triangles. Maybe you may not have heard about quadrilaterals, but we will learn about this. It's a very easy topic and also interesting topic. And before moving to the class, I am going to tell you something that is which we have already discussed in the last class, and that is what is point. Okay, so hope you remember what is point. Yes, then ray. Yes, I know my children are very good and we are all studying your lessons properly. Then what is line segment? Just remember what is line segment. Yes, then what is line? Yes, so be thorough with that. Then we will. Then one more thing. When you are writing your notes, when you are drawing pictures, draw only with pencil. I don't want to see any drawings with pen. Okay, so now we will move to today's topic. That first we are going to learn about what is angle. Okay, so first I will draw a picture of an angle. This is an angle. So from this you can see an angle has a common point. So this is a common point which is called as O. Then angle has got two rays. Like this is a ray. Ray normal, it has got one fixed point but the other one is extended. Same like that, it has got an ray, two rays. That is OP and OQ are the two rays and it has got a common point which is called as O. So this is an angle. So an angle has got two rays and these rays are called arms or sides. From angle rays arms or sides, and the common point is called as vertex. So the common point is called as vertex and the rays are called as arms or side. So in this you can see O is the vertex, OP and OQ are the ray. OP and OQ are the sides of the angle. Okay, so this much is clear for you. So when you write ray, hope you remember how to label, how to name ray, you have to put the symbol. Okay, so we have written O is the vertex or the common point, OP and OQ are the arms or sides of the angle. So this is an angle. So angle is formed by ray and also it has got a common point which is called as vertex. So hope this is clear. Now we will learn how to label or how to name an angle. Okay, so here you can name, and you may be thinking you can name the angle as POQ. POQ എന്ന് name ചെയ്യാം, ചിലപ്പോൾ OPQ എന്ന് name ചെയ്യാം, OQP, QOP ഏത് രീതിയിൽ name ചെയ്യണമെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. But in this some naming is wrong. ഞാൻ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന കുറച്ച് namings wrong ആണ്. Correct ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഒരു angle name ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ first thing you have to keep in mind is vertex should come in the middle. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഒരു angle vertex, here the vertex is O. O should always come in the middle and Q or P നമുക്ക് ഏത് രീതിയിൽ വേണം എഴുതാം. That is QOP എന്ന് എഴുതാം, POQ എന്ന് എഴുതാം. The only condition is the vertex should come in the middle. രണ്ട് arms നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും തിരിച്ച് എഴുതാം. പക്ഷേ vertex should always come in the middle. So you can write QOP or POQ because the vertex is in the middle. Here the vertex is O. You have written O in the middle. But don't write this as OPQ. OPQ is wrong and also QPO is also wrong. Because why this is wrong? The vertex is not in the middle. Here the vertex is O and it is not in the middle. So the only condition to name an angle is the vertex or the common point should come in the middle. Okay, arms നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും തിരിച്ച് എഴുതാം, but the vertex or the common point should come in the middle. So for naming an angle you can use any letters, A, B, C, A to Z വരെയുള്ള ഏത് letters വേണമെങ്കിലും യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ A, B, C, P, O, Q ഒക്കെയാണ് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ കാണുന്നത്. Okay, so hope this is clear for you. Next thing is you are going to learn what is interior of an angle. You have learned it already in the polygon. നമ്മൾ interior എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ agathu varunadum, exterior it is outside. Same like that here, interior, if a point is here inside the angle, for example this is Z, so here Z is the interior of the angle, and if you may name a point A outside the angle, A is exterior. So the point which lies inside the angle is called interior, and which lies outside is called exterior. Okay, and in this case here this is ray. ഈ ഒരു ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ ആംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് റേ ആണ്. സോ റേ മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ പോവാണ് അല്ലേ. റേ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് പോവാ, ഇറ്റ് ഡസന്റ് ഹാവ് ആൻ എൻഡ് പോയിന്റ്. സോ ദി ഇന്റീരിയർ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ആംഗിൾ നമുക്ക് ഫിക്സ്ഡ് ആക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആവാം, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഹിയർ, ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഹിയർ, എനിവെയർ. വൈ? ബിക്കോസ് ദി റേ arms no array it is made up of, in an angle the arms is made up of rays, and the rays are not fixed, it extend, the extend end points are not fixed. So the interior point of the ray angle is not fixed, but exterior is fixed. Exterior fixed ആണ്. Interior you can't say this is the interior point or this is the interior point നമുക്ക് fixed ആയിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Okay, so this is about angle. That is angle, just remember angle, it is made up of common point, it has got a common point, and also it has got rays. Okay, so angles are made when common points or the corners meet. The corners meet ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ്, corner here it is O, corners meet ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒരു angle form ചെയ്യും. The most important thing is how to name an angle. The common point or the corner should, vertex should come in the middle. That is the most important thing. Okay, so hope angle is clear for you, and now we will move to the next topic, that is triangle. Okay, now we will move to triangle. So when you look around, you can see many shapes in the form of a triangle. So first example is here ice cream cone. Ice cream is in the shape of a triangle. You can see prism. Prism is triangle shape. So many things are in the shape of a triangle. So hope you know what is a triangle. Triangle has got 3 sides. When you look at the picture, you can see triangle has got 3 sides. This is one side, 2, 3. So when you label or when you name the sides of a triangle, you can name it as PQ is one side, QR is another side, RP is another side. Okay, so PQ, QR and RP are the 3 sides of a triangle. Same like that, a triangle has got 3 angles. So you can see this is one angle, that is Q, another angle. Same like that, this is another angle, that is when you rub, I'll show you. So imagine this is a triangle. When you rub this portion, you can see this is a triangle. So same like that, when you rub this portion, you can see this is an angle. Same like that, when you rub this portion, you can see this is also an angle. Is it? So a triangle has got 3 sides and also 3 angles. So how to label or how to name the angles is here the angle. When you take Q vertex ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ, this is an angle. So PQR angle. You have to put the symbol like this. Angle PQR. This is a symbol for angle. Angle PQR. Next thing is I am going to R angle. Yeah, R വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ vertex ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന രീതിയിലെല്ലാം, that is angle QRP. Okay, then this one P vertex ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ I am going to write angle QPR. So 3 angles are there. QRP vertex ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത് QRP. Okay, so triangle has got 3 sides and also 3 angles. So next thing is same like that, this triangle has also got an exterior and interior portion. Okay, so when you look at this, this is the interior portion of the triangle and this is the exterior portion of the triangle. Okay, so when I draw a triangle, for example, same like that, PQR is a triangle. We have already studied what are the sides of the triangle and what are the angles of a triangle. 3 sides and 3 angles. So when you draw a triangle, and I have marked a point A here inside. So and this point A is interior of the triangle, and when here point B is exterior of the triangle, and ഈ സൈഡ്സിന്റെ ഇവിടെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ പോയിന്റ്സ് വരയ്ക്കുക. അതായത് PR നെ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത ഗ്രീൻ കളറിൽ ഈ പോർഷൻ ഏതെങ്കിലും, സോ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ദിസ് ഇസ് a Z is a point. Example X is a point, like that I am marking. Z, X are all the points on the triangle. Okay, so A is a point. Here A, it is a point which is lying interior of the triangle. B is a point which is lying exterior of the triangle. Here X, Z are the points which are lying on the triangle. Remember the 3 points: interior of the triangle, exterior of the triangle, and on the triangle. What is on the triangle? These sides in the middle. The PR is a side of the triangle, and here on the triangle means here each sides in the middle like points. Okay. So hope this is clear for you. What is triangle? This triangle has got 3 sides, 3 angles. How will you mark it? How will you name it? And remember what is interior of the triangle and what is exterior of the triangle. Okay, so now we will move to the next topic, that is quadrilateral. So study the spelling of quadrilateral. It is QUADRILATERALS. So learn the spelling, write it and learn it. So quadrilateral actually it is a 4-sided polygon. So you know what is polygon? Same like that. Quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. For example, this is a quadrilateral, that is, this is a polygon because it has got only line segments polygon. So here quadrilateral, actually you can say it is a 4-sided polygon. 4 sided polygons are quadrilateral. Okay, so you can see square is a quadrilateral, rectangle is a quadrilateral, all 4-sided, 4 sided quadrilateral. So here, when you draw like this is a quadrilateral. When you draw like this is also a quadrilateral. Okay, so 4-sided polygon are called quadrilateral. So I am going to name it. So A, B, C, D. So take this A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. And when you look at here, you can see quadrilateral has got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How will you name it? AB is one side, BD is another side, CD is another side, AC is another side. So quadrilateral has got 4 sides: AB, BD, CD, AC. Picture ABCD തന്നോണ്ട് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ label ചെയ്തു. If you are writing it, you can write any letters, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, any letters you can use. Okay. So usually ABCD, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ അല്ലാത്ത letters ഒന്നും കാണാറില്ല. It's your choice, but try to use ABCD, P, Q, R, S, etc. Okay. So here these are the 4 sides. So quadrilateral has got 4 sides. Same like that, quadrilateral has got 4 angles also. Is it? Here angle A. This is an angle. So when you look at here, this is an angle. That is B angle BAC. A vertex side together. Same like that, you can see this is an angle. That is angle ACD. Then this is also an angle. Angle CDB. Same angle B vertex side together. ABD. Angle ABD. So quadrilateral has got 4 sides and also quadrilateral has got 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. When you look at here, you can see 4 angles also. Okay, now both this is clear. That is a quadrilateral. It is a 4-sided polygon. It has got 4 sides and 4 angles. Now we are going to learn 2 terms. That is what is adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite side and opposite angles. It's also easy. So when you look here, so I am going to rub this and I am going to draw a new quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, and I am going to name it as PQRS. Instead of ABCD, I am going to name it as PQRS. So here adjacent terms പഠിക്കാനുള്ളത് adjacent angles, adjacent sides, then opposite angles and opposite sides. So what is adjacent? Adjacent എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അടുത്തടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്നത്. So first term is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means angles which lie side by side. So here in this quadrilateral, S is an angle R, Q and P. So adjacent angles are angles. So here P and Q are adjacent angles, that is they are lying close to each other. P, S are adjacent angle, they are also lying close to each other. Q, R angles are R, S angles are. So these are the adjacent angles. These two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, this two and this two are adjacent angles. Saying like that, adjacent sides means which are lying close to each other. That is ഇവിടെ SPU, PQ adjacent sides ആണ്. PQ, QR adjacent sides ആണ് അടുത്തടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്നു. Here QR, SR adjacent sides ആണ് അടുത്തടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്നു. So adjacent angles are angles which are lying close to each other. When you see here, these two are adjacent. ഇത് രണ്ടും. Same like that, sides എഴുതുമ്പോൾ adjacent sides. This SP and PQ are adjacent sides. PQ and QR are adjacent sides. QR and SR are adjacent sides. Okay. So what is opposite angles and opposite side? Opposite varana. That is Q and R are angles which lie opposite to each other. Opposite angle. And Q and S are angles which lie opposite to each other. So here opposite angles are angle P, angle R. Angle P ഇവിടെ angle R ഇവിടെ അടുത്തടുത്തല്ല opposite. Same Q and S are which lie opposite. ദൂരെ opposite ആയിട്ടാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്. Same like that, opposite sides എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? Here SR, PQ lying opposite. ഇവിടെ opposite ആയിട്ട്. Same like that, PS and QR which lies opposite like this. Okay, easy. Opposite sides means which lie opposite. Opposite angles means which lies opposite. Adjacent angles means which lies close. Adjacent side means sides which lies close to each other. Okay, so look at the picture and you can easily find out what is adjacent side, adjacent angles, etc. So this is quadrilateral which has got four-sided polygon. So in this class we are going to do exercise related to angles, related to triangles and quadrilateral. Okay, so we'll discuss everything now once again when you do the exercise. So now we'll move to the exercise questions. Now we'll move to exercise 4.3 from your textbook, that is related to angles. So this is the first question. A picture is given here. You have to name the angles. So when you look at the picture, you can see the sides are marked A, B, C, D and you have to name the angles. So here clearly you can observe there are four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you name the angles, the point which you have to keep in your mind is vertex should come in the, or the corner should come in the middle. Okay, so here first thing we will write here this angle which this is a vertex. So A the first angle that is angle. So put the symbol like this, angle DAC. DAC. Second one we will write angle ABC. Third one we will write angle, here this one, angle BCD. BCD. And last one angle, here this one you can write ADC. ADC. Okay, so here the angles, vertex where the A, this has come in the middle, B has come in the middle, C has come in the middle and D also has come in the middle. So here vertex should always come in the middle. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind. Sides you can change. That is, you can write angle DAC as angle CAD, angle ABC as angle CBA, angle BCD as angle DCB, angle ADC as angle CDA. Okay, so namukku sides maati edam, but the vertex should always come in the middle. Here you can see A has come in the middle, B middle, C middle and D also has in the middle. So here this has got four angles and we have written all the four angles in two different ways. You can write anything. Okay, now we'll go to the second question. So second question, a figure is given here and all points and angles are labeled properly, they are named, and from this you have to write, name the points which lies interior of angle DOE, in the exterior of angle EOF and on angle EOF. So those are having your textbook with you, please open your textbook and refer this picture. If it is not clear, you can refer the picture. Okay, so these are the 3 questions given here, and I have already told you what is interior and the point which lies interior, and outside points are called exterior points, and the point which lies on the angle they are called on the. Okay, അങ്ങനെ 3 points നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. Same like that you have to write interior of angle DOE. So first thing you have to know, this is the angle DOE, and which is the point which lies interior. So you can see a point which lies interior is point A. So the answer is point A is the point which lies interior of angle DOE. Second question is in the exterior of angle EOF. Exterior means which lies outside. So EOF, this is the point EOF, which is the point which lies exterior. C is the point. C is the answer. That is point which lies exterior of angle EOF is C. Okay, so that was clear. Then which point which lies on angle EOF? So EOF, this is the angle EOF. The point which lies on the is B എന്ന് പറയുന്ന point ആണ് on the angle EOF. So this is angle EOF, and ഈ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ B എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത point ആണ് which lies on the angle EOF. That answer is point B. Okay, so hope it is clear for you. Interior of the angle means which lies inside. ഏതാണ് angle തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന DOE. So angle DOE, point which lies interior is point A. Point which lies exterior of angle EOF is point C. Point which lies on the angle EOF is point B. So hope this 3 questions is clear for you, which was very easy. Now we'll move to the next question. Last question of exercise 4.3, that is draw rough diagrams of 2 angles. Okay, you have to draw rough diagrams of 2 angles, and some conditions are given there. First one is one point is common. So you have to draw 2 angles, and രണ്ട് ആംഗിളിനും ഒരൊറ്റ point common ആയിട്ട് വരണം. So I am going to draw one angle here, this, and I am labeling it as A, B, C. Here B is the corner or the vertex. Now I am going to draw same ഈ ഒരു point തന്നെ common ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന രീതിയിൽ I am going to draw another angle and labeling it as P. Same like that, ഇത് common ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു angle വരയ്ക്കാം Q. Okay, so here I have drawn 1, 2 angle. ഈ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ that is angle ABP and angle ABQ. In this only one point is common, that is ഒരു point മാത്രമാണ് ഇവിടെ common ആയിട്ട് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. No, here 2 points are common. രണ്ട് point common ആയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് AB. പക്ഷേ questionൽ only one point should be common. So how will you write? ABC is 1 angle, ABC is 1 point which is in common. Same like that you can write angle PBQ. Okay, here നോക്കുമ്പോൾ B ഒരൊറ്റ point common ആയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Which are the angles? Angle, this is the wrong answer because ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് point common ആയിട്ട് വന്നു. രണ്ട് point common ആയിട്ട് വരാൻ പാടില്ല. Only one point should be common there. So I am writing angle ABC. Here B is the point. Same angle PBQ. There only one point is common, which is B. First thing when I wrote 2 points were common, we could not write like that. So these are the angles, angle ABC. From that angle PBQ is the second angle, which is having one single point as common, but 2 angles are there. And angle on the common point. So second question in the same thing is you have to draw 2 angles in which 2 points are common. രണ്ട് point common ആയിട്ട് വരയ്ക്കണം. So here രണ്ട് point common ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വരയ്ക്കാം. 2 angles should be there. Okay. Okay children, now this is the second part, that is you have to draw 2 angles and there should be 2 points in common. 2 points common ആയിട്ട് വരണം. So I have already drawn it here. Now I have drawn 2 angles, that is AOB is one angle and BO BOC is another angle. Here this AOB is one angle, ABOC, this one BOC is another angle. This you can see the common point is O and B. O and B this angle common common points. So angle is angle AOB and angle BOC. What are the common points? O and B are the two common points. Now this is clear. That is, you can draw it in any way as you like. Two common points mark. I have drawn it like that. It's your wish. You can select anyone, but the common points should be two. One common point two common point angles. So I have drawn the angle AOB and same like that I have drawn BOC with common point O and B. Okay, now we'll move to the third part of this question. Third part of this third question, that is, three common points should be there. So you have to draw two angles and there should be three common points. That is, I have drawn the picture here. That is, I have drawn two angles and three common points. O, E and D. Three points mark. O is a point, E is a point, D is a point. Here angle, okay, that is angle AOB is one. Sorry, AOB is one angle and angle BOC. So these are the two angles. Either angle AOB and angle BOC. Three common points on each angle. O, E and B are the three common points. Okay. So next question is four common points should be there. Instead of this here, four common points. D in question, there should be four common points. So for drawing that four common points, I can mark one more common point here. O, E, B, F. So more common points mark. So the common points are F, O, E, B. E, F, O, E, B. Three common points are E angle. That is AOB. BOC two common angle no common points. One common point mark or else you can draw like this. Here, if this is an angle, that is either angle angle mark, and this is A, B, C and O. This is P, Q, R. Mark O, P, Q, R, C. Four common points two angles, that is angle AOC and angle BOC. Four common points. You can see two common points, three common points. Two common points. So this angle, it's upon you, but there should be four common points and common point. Three common point and three common point. Side OB is common side in the male common. Okay, so now the fourth question is one ray is common. One ray is common. That is, you have to draw two angles. Two angles common. One ray is common. That is, already you know that an angle is made up of rays. Angle that one ray common. That is easy to draw. That is, I am going to draw one angle, that is P, Q, R is one angle, and I am going to draw a ray which is called as QS. So now here one ray common angle PQS is one. Same like that angle, look here, SQR. QS is same common ray. QS common ray angle, PQS same like that angle SQR common ray QS. Okay, so here this picture we ray common angle AOC is one angle, angle BOC is one angle, OC is the ray which is common. Here QS is the ray which is common. So select anyone, you can draw anything as you wish. So now we have completed this exercise. This was a very small exercise related to angles. Now we will move to the next exercise which is related to triangles. Okay.